This spacious 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe gets an estimated 27 miles per gallon on the highway, has 60,742 miles, and it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle has expansive seats, and is equipped with a responsive 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder 16-valve engine, a reliable manual transmission, and has the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive. Its electronic features include an AM/FM compact disc audio system and a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with 4 disc brakes with 2 ventilated discs, driver and passenger front airbags and front side airbags. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.